guys, welcome to another video of HMS underscore 10 underscore 30. I'm Arshad and he is
Manvesh.
and over to Sahil and Ayan.
As you know me, I'm Sahil. He's my brother, Ayan. Tell me your phone name. Ayan, what the hell? Ayan, what? TK. Okay, guys, I'm Zika. As always, I tell you, like, subscribe.
Shit.
Add a funny comment on my face. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Comment. How was that acting?
I know that was like
So, guys, this time.
shit.
Okay. Okay, guys, sorry there's an interruption, but it's an unboxing time, brother.
Of the Messi collection Adidas Firefly football shoes.
Yeah, you can see that, baby.
Yeah, baby, man, baby.
Oh.
Guys, see the back, man. It's written Firefly.
I'll tell you one thing. Guys, I gave a quotation for them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, I'm gonna show you magic. This is gonna fit in Manish.
It even fits me.
It's too loose. It's too tight. It's too tight, man. Let us see mine. Yeah, it fits. Let us see Manish's. Oh my God.
It's damn loose for him.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stab by the side.
Yeah, let's not waste time, but yeah, come, let's start. See this?
See this, five boys? You got the Nike symbol there. I'm not Nike. Adidas.
Adidas, yeah.
You got the Adidas symbol there, brother. We've even got some cool pattern design.
Yeah, the wool. Awesome. And,
Do you like the secondary color?
Yeah, the blue and the gray, man.
Do you like the primary color?
Yeah.
Looks like a carbon fiber.
Yeah, maybe it looks like
it
this
looks
now.
like this one. Yeah.
Guys, see the front part. It has arrows, man. Arrows. He's got the lace.
They're flexible, guys.
Awesome, man. Guys, see the inside part.
Inside
It's written Firefly and it's too comfortable.
But one thing I like about this thing, it has 14 stars.
Yeah, it's original, right? Guys, see this. The orange color. It looks like plastic, guys. Yeah, man. Yay. Okay, guys.
So, it has 14 stars and the design, like the type they kept it looks much better.
Yeah.
Then last time we saw some shoes, basketball.
Nike Oakley basketball shoes.
I heard so many racism comments. Yeah, I really. You also with me, right?
Yeah, I was.
But this time, it is the King Firefly.
Yeah, the king.
Man,
Firefly.
And the
It
back, it's written Firefly, man. It can fire and fly.
It is won by the great Lionel Messi.
Messi collection, brother.
Bro.
I can even kiss her. Have a look at that. Yeah. Hey,
Mwah. Awesome, guys.
guys, please subscribe.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm gonna kill you with this.
Subscribe on my face and like button on his face. And please, what do you think of it? Please let us know in the comment section below. Bye. Let's finish it with the dab, man.